POV. I just discovered an AI tool that can generate these viral videos in minutes. These AI-generated POV videos are gaining millions of views, and creators are cashing in on this trend. But here's the problem. Most people struggle with using multiple AI tools just to create one video. But what if I told you there was a tool that does it all in one click? And the best part? It's not just limited to history POV videos. It is capable of creating almost anything you can imagine. All you need is a brilliant story idea. And don't worry, I will show you how to get one. So stick around, because I guarantee you won't want to miss a second of this video. Welcome to AI Upskill. Before getting into action, let me quickly explain the process so you can see how easy and quick it is. First, we'll use AI to generate a unique channel name. Next, we'll use an AI tool to create a stunning channel logo. Then, we'll use ChatGPT to generate 10 spicy story ideas that are fit for the AI POV niche. Finally, we will use an AI tool to create an entire video, including scenes and sound effects. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to start your own AI-powered faceless YouTube channel. Ready? Let's go. First, let's create a channel name. Instead of spending hours brainstorming, we will use ChatGPT. I've created a pro-level prompt document that makes everything super easy. You can access it from the description. Simply copy the prompt and put it into ChatGPT. I'm instructing ChatGPT to act as a YouTube analyst, analyze competitor channels, and recommend 15 unique names based on the information given. And just like that, ChatGPT generates 15 unique channel names. You can select the one you prefer. Now that we have a name, let's give it an identity with a stunning logo. If you've ever used AI for image generation, you've probably heard of Leonardo AI. It's hands down one of the best tools out there. Once you're on the Leonardo AI dashboard, select Image Generation. Before making this video, I tried generating a couple of images, and they turned out pretty cool. Simply copy and paste the positive prompt from my prompt document into the box. Just type in the channel name you've chosen from ChatGPT. Click on Model and select Phoenix 1.0. Next, click Style and select Creative. Also, make sure the aspect ratio is 1:1. Scroll down, select Advanced Settings, and enable the negative prompt. Copy and paste the negative prompt from the prompt document into this box. Finally, click Generate. Let's fast forward a bit, and there you have it. Your brand new channel logo is ready. Choose the one you like. Now here's where things get exciting. AI POV videos focus on engaging and surprising stories. So, once again, we'll use ChatGPT. I will use another pro-level prompt from my document. That instructed ChatGPT to come up with 10 viral POV ideas. And just like that, ChatGPT generates 10 incredible options. Now, all that's left is to choose the best one. I'll go with this one. Now, here's where the real magic happens. It's time to use AI to transform this idea into a complete video. But before that, I just noticed 95% of you guys haven't subscribed to my channel. So please give this video a like and subscribe for more such videos. Introducing aicut, a powerful video generator tool that can create viral short videos in minutes. It offers multiple features like fake text stories, Reddit stories, and much more. For today's tutorial, we'll focus on the AI POV feature. So head over to this tool from the description of this video. Once you've completed your sign-in, you'll be brought to this friendly dashboard. Click on the AI POV feature. It offers multiple choices for creating a video. The first option generates images and sounds based on the given story idea. However, if you want complete control over your project, use the Start from Scratch option. I will choose the first option because it is simple and quick. Simply enter a video idea generated by ChatGPT. Next, choose the length of the video. I'm now going with 30 seconds. From here, you can choose the aspect ratio of your video. Below are 2 image models to choose from. You can choose the one you want. I'll go with the Pro model, as it creates more realistic images, and it costs 2 tokens. So, once you're also done with your settings, simply click the Generate button from below. aicut will start generating scenes based on your video idea. And as you can see, it has generated 6 scenes. Now, this is very cool. It actually lets you fine-tune every detail, like changing an image, converting it into an AI video, adding captions, sound effects, as well as visual effects. Let's go through all of those features quickly. The Change Image option lets us change an existing image. Simply enter a new prompt in the box and hit Generate, and within seconds, a new image will be added. The AI Video option converts an image to a video. You can enter a prompt here or leave it empty. You can choose a video model from below. The runway model is less detailed and so costs only 1 token. The Kling model generates better motion and so costs 2 tokens. I would recommend going with the Kling model. Next up is the Caption option. You can add text based on the scene, adjust the size and position of the text, Additionally, you can choose a caption style from the options given below. The sound effects option comes next. You can add up to 4 sound effects in a scene. It can be generated or uploaded directly from your device. To generate a sound effect, simply enter a prompt and click Generate. Within a few seconds, a sound effect will be added to the scene. Lastly, you can add an eye blink effect to your scenes. It can be either in the middle or at the end. Additionally, you can add more scenes if you want. So, I've changed the images as per my needs, transformed all of my images into videos, added captions to them, and added multiple sound effects to enhance the scenes. Now, if you're wondering how I was able to create these stunning images and come up with these perfect prompts, it's because of a secret prompt in the prompt document that generates everything based on your story idea. Make sure you access it from the description. So, once you've made all of your adjustments, simply click Turn Images into AI Videos, and aicut will bring your images to life. When it's done, hit Render Final Video, and let's fast forward through the process. And, as you can see, our video is ready. You can edit the video. Share it immediately on your social media accounts, or download it with a single click. Here's a preview of what I've created.
Into the Girl South on the flag show. We've been sleep trained today, South is safe. We just...
Mic check, 1 2 1 2.
And just like that, we've created an AI-generated POV video in minutes. This niche is booming, and you now have the complete guide for starting your own channel. If you take action now, you might be the next viral creator. As a result, I highly recommend trying aicut, as it's the most affordable tool available. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to AI Upskill. My goal is to deliver you with the best and most latest AI tools. Let me know in the comments which feature you are most excited to try, and I will see you in the next video.